Hello and welcome friends. I am your digital mentor Ankit in Aanav Creations. So today we are going to start our new topic, how video fits on your online strategy. So this online strategy fit with the videos who are making to you. So in this digital marketing we will get to know that how video can work for you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and push the bell notifications on all notifications and hit the like button of this video. Watch this video till end so that you did get all the details. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you all know, our topic is how video fits into your digital campaigns. So let's take a moment to think about all the new videos your potential customers are watching. Worldwide, people watch more than 300 million hours of video on YouTube per day. And it's not all funny cat videos. In fact, online video has become an important way for businesses to show off their products and services and reach new customers. In this lesson, you will learn how video can help you expand your online presence. We will also take a look at some of the ways you can advertise with video and achieve your business goals. Now, let us take an example from Mr. K.S. Bhatia from Pumpcart, who is going to tell us how online video has helped him grow his business. He said, people should be aware of how to install pumps. If you go to YouTube, you did find the Pumpcart YouTube channel. You have described every pump there and how to install it very easy. Usually, when we get a call, the customer asks to help to install it. We just share those videos to them, that's it. This information usually was not given by other manufacturers. As you incorporate video into your online marketing plan, consider how it will support your business. Nailing down your goals will help you decide the most effective way to use online video. While it's important to create goals that align with your mission as well. Keep in mind what your customers may be looking for as well. Get those together and you are well on your way to success. Here's an example for you. Say you are a passionate traveler and you have a website where you share your travel experiences and tales related to them. Through your experiences of traveling, you have come up with a series of travel tips on how to become a travel enthusiast with them. You want to help others with your experience and video can be a big part of that. What kind of made a video showing how to plan trip step by step? And what if that video went viral? With people spreading the word that this is what they were looking for all these years. Using a video is a great way to get people excited about what you have to share and gain exposure to new fans or customers as well. But what if some components of your travel blog don't lend themselves to being featured in videos? Or if you don't want to get involved in producing videos just yet, you can still take advantage of these opportunities by advertising your blog on other people's videos as well. Think back to your goals. You are trying to get the word out about your travel trips and perhaps promote some of the exclusive resorts as well. Even if you don't make your own video, your audience is still likely to watch someone else's videos. Since your audience enjoys exploring destination, why not advertise on other travel videos? With video advertising, you can select certain types of videos or even specific videos where you did like to advertise. You could pick someone else's channel on travel or specific video about a particular destination and advertise there as well. Your ad could direct viewers to your website or tell them about your products. To sum up, video marketing offers several ways to reach lots of customers and you don't even have to make an actual video. With all the possibilities that video represents, make sure you always focus on your business goals to help guide your business online strategy for these videos. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of this video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.